I'm gonna be a teacher in Egypt. Guys, can I teach English here in Egypt? Even my course is not teacher. Why I am asking? Let me tell you what happened. Just few minutes back, there's some kids outside of our villa and they are ringing the doorbell down. I went out to check. I asked them in Arabic, le, like why? And amlin like how are you guys? They just look at me like they are so surprised and they are all smiling. I think they are 7 kids and they are running near the gate. They are asking me, "Hi, how are you? What's your name?" I told them my name, by the way. It's easy. Then my father-in-law came out as well and told them to go far. So after they left, a few minutes back, there's one girl, she came back to knock the gate again. Then my father-in-law went out. Then I checked the camera because I am hearing them. She's telling my name. She's keep telling my name. I want, I want, I want, I want. And my father-in-law told me to go down. I went down. I asked, "Hi, how are you? What you want? What do you want to say?" They don't actually speak very well in English, unlike in the Philippines. A simple question in English, all the kids they know. How are you? What's your name? What's your age? How old are you? Uh, what are you doing? That's simple question. The kids, like 3, 4 years old, they know already those kind of questions. Then they are so happy when I went down. They said they just want to say hi to me, and I say usually here in Egypt they will say they just want to say hi. They want like they are saying salam. So I shake hand with them. They are so cute as well, guys, and they are very polite. They are very happy when I went down to talk to them. But I really cannot communicate very well because of the language. They speak Arabic and they don't speak very well in English. If I'm going to teach English as well, it will be a little bit hard, but I can ask for some help with my family here for translating the Arabic to English. I can just easily Google it, right? So that's what happened. That's why I am asking if I can speak English. That's why I'm asking if I can teach English here in Egypt. First, I can help them to improve their English. Even I am not 100% in my accent, Filipino accent. This this some of kind of accent that we have. We don't grow up in USA or Canada to have those kind of fluent accent, right? But we understand. We can speak, we can communicate. That's the most important thing. Even your accent is not British accent, American accent, you know, but at least you can communicate. I also think of it, even I will teach them 1 hour per day. What do you think, guys? I don't study teacher. Actually, my course is business management. So it's very far from teaching, but I can help them, guys. Really, if I will help them, I know that they will improve their English. And it's kind of little bit exciting. I'm a little bit excited when I am thinking of it. I'm gonna teach them English. I have a long patience as well. I can handle the kids. I love kids. But let's see where we will be after a few days. They are saying they will come back. They want to come back in the night. Wala, just after few hours like that, because here in Egypt it's they came around 4 p.m. Then they want to come back again. So I will start teaching them. I told them, I will try. I will check next time. Inshallah. In the God's will. So I am still thinking, guys. Really, I'm really thinking of it because they look so good. Some of my husband family, they are advising me to check some private school if ever I will get bored here at home, I can easily apply for English teacher because it's very in demand here in Egypt, especially the school. They will be more happy. They really love to have an different nationality teacher in their school because it's like additional point for them. There's different nationality, it will be in a different level, the school, that kind of mindset here. So they told me if I ever get bored here at home, I can easily apply for a English teacher job here in Egypt. So I'm really thinking of it, and please give me some advice. And if ever I will decide to teach English, most probably it will be inside of our villa only. We're not going to some place to teach the kids. They are the one will visit me here. And where should I start, guys? If I really decide to teach English here in Egypt, what do you think? Where should I start actually, Yani? I should have a book to follow so they can relate on their English study in their school, or it's all up to me because I will be like a private teacher. This my technique of how I'm gonna teach them. For example, I will just let them to watch a YouTube or let them sing ABCD and let them do some assignment and make some story or tell me something about yourself. What do you think, guys? I'm really confused, but I'm feeling excited when I am really thinking of it. So I hope you can help me, guys. Really, I'm so confused. Really, guys, I hope you can help me because right now I'm really so confused. Ah, Mas, Egypt. I'm gonna be a teacher in Egypt.